Hi and welcome to the Sprint Vector Winter Olympic Games Challenge Day 1. My name is Sebastian Ang, and if this is your first time here and you're just as excited about VR and AR as I am, then subscribe now and click the bell button so you don't miss anything. So what is the Sprint Vector Olympic Games Challenge all about? Well, instead of just watching the Olympic Games, I thought why not get active myself and try to break a record. And now we are Sprint Vector, and I think Sprint Vector is just the perfect game. So each day, starting from today, I'm going to go live in a live stream and I'm going to try to beat the record, the time trial record of the very first level of the challenge levels. It's called the Premiere. And I'm going to try to become #1 in the world. The current record stands at 51 seconds, which is incredibly fast. My best time was 59 seconds, so I have lots of seconds to gain until I will be able to win that record. So I'm giving myself and you, if you want to join, time until the Winter Olympic Games in Korea are over. So as long as the fire is burning in Korea, the game is still on and we can still fight for that record in the Premiere in Sprint Vector, the first challenge level of that awesome game. And to make this a bit more exciting, I'm not just going to challenge myself and you, I'm also going to challenge all the VR YouTubers, all my fellow VR YouTubers. Come and show how fast you are. Let's find out who is the fastest VR YouTuber on this planet Earth. And I would like to call out some names, especially Rowdy guy, who is claiming to be the fastest YouTuber on Earth. Okay, Rowdy guy, show us how fast you really are. Show us that you can make it to #1 on the Premiere, the first challenge level on Sprint Vector. And then, of course, I would also like to challenge Sweviver in Sweden. Show us what you got, Sweviver. And Cas&Charie, my neighbors from Holland, and also Nathie, their fellow countrymen. Can you at least win in Sprint Vector if in football you normally lose against Germany? And also, PSVR Frank, what's the matter with you? Will you join and will you make it to the top? We will find out very, very soon. This was just to call out some of the VR YouTubers. There are many more, and all that I didn't call out now, you are also challenged. But I still want to call out some of my German VR YouTuber fellows. And these are Mo Tensen from MoFun VR. I challenge you here in the Sprint Vector Winter Olympic Games, just as I challenged Voodoo. Voodoo, I'm sure that you are a very competitive guy and I would like to see who is faster, you and me. And I would also hope that Zitronenarzt could join this challenge. I will see you on the track, or better, I will see your time that you do in the Premiere, the first level of Sprint Vector. So let me lay out the rules here. It's very simple. It's all about the first level of the Sprint Vector challenge levels. And this level is called the Premiere. We're going to do time trial. Who can do the fastest lap? And we have time until the Winter Olympic Games in Korea are over. So as long as the fire is still burning in Korea, we can compete. But once the Winter Games in Korea are over and the fire is out, then it's over. And at that time, we're going to see who has the fastest lap in the Premiere. It is so simple. And for the headsets that you might use for that challenge, you can use either the HTC Vive, the Oculus Rift, or any of the Windows MR headsets. It's totally up to you. The game is on. One more important thing to mention for all the VR YouTubers who want to join this challenge. You will have to record yourself for your runs so that you can actually show proof later that you really did it by yourself. Well, for me, I'm going to live stream my attempts, so that is fair game. For all the others who are joining this challenge, you don't need to record yourself. Of course you can, and I think it would be fun, but you don't need to if you still want to join this challenge. Alright, so starting from now, starting from today, I'm going to go live here on Mixed Reality TV every day, and I'm going to show you 30 minutes of live attempts to break that record, to get to the 51 seconds, and it's going to be super tough. I'll be happy if I can break my own record every day at least for half a second or a second. So I'm going to try to get to that 51 seconds or to whatever it's going to be during this challenge. So this is going to be really exciting, and I know I'm going to sweat a lot because that game really makes you sweat a lot. And to make it even a bit more exciting for you, I'm going to open the MRTV Discord servers audio channel for it. So you can live comment on what you see. You can cheer me on. And yeah, you can simply do so by going to the MRTV Discord server. The link is in the description below, so why don't you go there now, find the audio chat channel and cheer me on, or talk with me, or do some commentary, whatever you can think of. I think this is going to be really fun. But now it's on. I would love to see all these VR YouTubers join the challenge. I think that would be incredibly fun. And how about you? Even if you're not a VR YouTuber, who cares? Just join that challenge and let's have some fun. But now, let's get ready to rumble! And the game is on.